There we are, back on some test location in China for eVTOL. Here we meet the team, they make everything ready and let's go check the machine. This is the S0 Plus, so the last version they have. Also they have a runway, they're flying here, autogyro, helicopter, everything more. So we need to check the flight, where we can fly and the space we can take for the test flight. One or the boys or the company testing every engine. So before you do the first test flight, you test every engine, you check it and you hear no special sound or thing like this. And after you fly with the remote control, like you do now without someone, so you test it, fly around and see what's going on. And after this test, you can fly by yourself. So always you do 3 steps. Testing the engines, testing the machine in the air, and then you can fly by yourself. This version have a bigger engine, so it has more power, and there is also the new batteries. And in these batteries, they make some cooling system. The problem normal with the drone is that the batteries will be too hot after some times of fly, and then you need to land. But with these batteries, they say you can fly longer, and it's also for sure better for the batteries. They not will be too hot, so also the lifetime will be longer. So let's check it out and let's test it by myself.
Not.
Yeah, it's good. There we go for the first test flight in the S0 Plus.
Right?
Perfect. Moet je straks als ik aan het vliegen ben even proberen. Dat je zeg maar een keer die runway doet. Het mooiste is met de gyrocopter als je in het vliegen is een keer erop. Dus ik hou er ook rekening mee als ik een gyrocopter zie aankomen dat die achter mij langs komt vliegen. En als ik aan het vliegen ben, dat je daar die mountain erbij op hebt, die bergen. Oh, ja. Dus dat je alle kanten pakt, niet dat je alleen die kant op film, maar dat ik af en toe de berg pak. Als het half kan, een gyrocopter is interessant, deze gyro erop, die hangt daarin. So engine on, is this too?
In fact, we will turn on for you. So when we take
Hoeven?
it off,
Yeah.
then we authorize for you.
A change and come back and he land for me.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
perfect.
So the flying area is it's here.
In this side or the okay.
Also with a runway.
Runway is okay?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
So we will communicate with them, so
Yeah.
we don't have conflict. So if you see they are coming, you better come
Yeah.
this side. So it's okay.
Yeah, it's cool also for make a video when one gyrocopter landing. I'm flying here and he make the video that we see also the gyrocopter landing.
I can communicate with them. Yeah.
That's interesting. For the video when you see okay the gyrocopter is landing.
You are like flying this way.
This
and
side?
Also
Yeah.
taking off.
Yeah. Landing or takeoff.
Yeah. Yeah. I will talk to them. I will talk to
Perfect.
them. Yeah. Maybe you can have your first test flight first. Yeah.
No problem.
Tell us what you feel. Yeah.
Let's do.
Everything's ready. So you can talk me through the helmet. So
过来拍一下这个。
Yeah.
你过来拍一下。
There we are. Seat belts on, everything ready. They say we will take off you with the remote controller, but I can do it by myself. For me it's also more comfortable to do everything by myself, but you can do it also by remote controller. And then when you are in the air you switch one part on the remote control and you can fly by yourself. So here I do it by myself and there we go. It's the same as the normal S0, so control is the same, everything is the same. For me it's more easy to do it after maybe I fly 3 hours in this moment. And also here in the sky you see the gyrocopter on top. They don't land in this moment, they landing and take off on the runway, but they know I'm take off, they have the communication by the radio. and I have the communication with the phone, so we have the Bluetooth connection. And I always like to do the test, like turn to the left, turn to the right, fly sideways, go up and down. When I go up and down the first time with this one, it was incredible. There is so much more power in this machine than the S0. I don't believe it. And especially when you go down, the feeling was strange. So fast down and also to 1.5 meters. So I don't push it full. Here I like also to fly sideways, and when I do sideways I say okay, I go to the right, I remove my hand or joystick, and I will see in what time stop. When you check the video now and you see okay, I put it back, I remove my hand, so it's the feeling how much seconds the machine need to have the time to stop flying. On the left side I see the gyrocopter coming. They don't stop, so they fly and go ahead. And after they land, so I can take in the space in the runway. I do some takeoff maneuver. So how far the front of the drone is going down when you put it full, and what's going on when you fly forward and you go a little bit up or a little bit down. The S0 different is the power, and you feel it, and also the sideways flying. There is so much more power in this machine. The full time I fly was now 8 minutes, and I had 60 or 70% on battery. So now I fly back to for the landing. I do it in the official way, like the helicopters do it normal. So everyone sees that I'm coming back, and everyone is careful. They don't stay too short to me, so I have space to land. Yeah, it was a crazy experience. Total different with the one I fly before. Yes.
So you feel the difference, right?
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah. 帮他一下取头盔。
Yeah, this is an interesting job.
Yeah.
Some work to do, but yeah, we are in the right road. Also the engine feeling more stable. Yeah.
You feel the vibration, so there's no vibration.
No, it's interesting.
Yeah.
But also this is a problem. It's blocked, you know.
Ah, I see.
This needs to be more up, and then you can change. Also here, when I'm like this, normal you find some stability, and then in the car you have the thing, and here you do like this. You fly like okay, you have stable, but then you not can do this. So you need to go here. It's blocked. It cannot full.
Okay.
Full is this, with my hand block, and this is like the same block. But you have this, and you block here.
I see. I see.
So you only can do so percent like this. Dus this needs to be more up, and maybe some extra pipe here or like this, and then you also can change the position.
Ah, I see.
If we make one pipe from here to here, and you can put it here or here,
Yeah.
and you have like the same on this side, so you can have all this. It's
the
more,
handhold.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's good job, interesting.
Yeah. You can feel the temperature. It's not like it's not hot. Yeah, it's a bit, but yeah, you can try the motor. The motor. The tube. Yeah. See? Now you feel the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, it's better.
We have improved.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a good job.
这个是效率高一
Yeah,
点，那个有
the
宽架。
efficiency of this type is larger, but for the other one, it would be like a more stable. you
Yeah,
know?
okay.
Yeah,
Also this construction is better.
so maybe later today we can come back here, and we will charge up the battery.
Ah,
Yeah, the battery is
Perfect.
like 75% remaining, so
Yeah.
If you want to have another flight test, it's okay. Like
Yeah.
for this one.
Yeah, I see.
So up to you.
Yeah, I see the battery and I come back like I will be safe for you, for me. Don't make stress for everyone. This also is good. You lock everything. Good job. Yeah, and after the test flight, I like to play. So let's fly a little bit with the gyrocopter. I have the same one, but side by side in Italy.
Oh, okay. So left and right.
Yeah,
Okay. So what's the weight? I think they need to know.
100.
100.
Yeah,
Okay, exactly 100
yeah.
kilogram. Okay.
Yesterday or the day before.
100公斤。
And for sure, I will check the engine by myself. So I need to know that I'm safe when I go in some machine. He can do acrobatic?
他可以做这个吗？还是怎么样？不可以。No.
No.
Not that one. Yeah, it's just for tourism.
只是体验。
Okay, just for flying test.
Ah, perfect. Neem ik even die
Don't step
telefoon.
on that.
Yeah, no control.
No
Okay.
control. No
这
control.
个也不可以，
No control.
这个也不可以，那个也不可以，都不要碰。
Okay.
Ze zijn bang dat ik hier ook aan de bediening ga zitten, dus hier moet ik overal vanaf blijven. Dat hebben ze wel 6 keer gezegd.
No step,
Okay.
not that one.
Perfect. So there we go for the gyrocopter flight in China. Thank you for watching. I take my flight here in the sky. And I hope I see you back in my next video. Good. Ciao tutti. Perfect.